Alright, here we go. We can see on both of these printers we have the default messages loaded up. These are the messages that are actually stored inside of the machine itself. All the names are important and they must be exact to match the barcode for us to pull them up. So here's the barcodes that I created with those exact names for these three items. Alright, now we come into the printer. We take our scanner and we scan either one of those three barcodes, and you can generate these online, name them whatever you want, and just print them out. So I scan that one and you see gourmet comes up on both machines, and we can go up to 4 machines on this. We scan again here in the middle, the cat chow. Look over, cat chow on this one, cat chow on that one. So it happens simultaneously, both of them will go over to there. So we'll go back to gourmet. Now what we can also do with this scanner, instead of changing messages, we can change the information within the message. So this number after that would be, let's say, a batch code. So I created these examples of batch codes that you might have to change. So in order to change that, we have to reprogram the scanner itself. So here we scan these barcodes right here, and that reprograms it to put in information into the message and not just search for a message. So as I scan this down here, it's going to take that number and it's going to put that into the code right there on both machines. So it's a good way if you run the same message but you change batches. You can come out, you can have this list printed up for you, or it can be on paperwork for a work order, and you can change that information. It goes right into the code. Alright, so there's just a couple of different things you can do with the scanner. It's a good system. If you need anything else, just give us a call and we'll make a video for you. Thank you.